The inspiration behind the car show was I personally believe there's a smaller car community building up around Manteca. Usually it's just local cities around here, but I feel like we can really bring that energy over to Manteca, and especially Manteca High School, making a good name for the school, a good name for the car community, and raising funds for JROTC. My specific role, I'm pretty much just going to be bouncing around, making sure everybody's having fun, having a good time. All the food vendors are getting their recognition. I'll be announcing trophies, awards, certificates. I'll be introducing our judges, basically telling cars where to go, traffic control. I'll be jumping around. I'm just going to do a little bit of everything. So pre-registry is open until March 1st. You can email dgay@musd.net, pay $30 check to Manteca High School, 450 East Yosemite Avenue, Manteca, California, 95336. And pre-registry closes March 1st, so don't try to send a check because we ain't going to accept it. $25 pre-registry now. I think I said 30, but 25 now. 30 at the day of. So if you roll into the car show, don't worry if you didn't pre-register. You just pay $30 at the gate and we'll still let you in. I'm hoping to see a big variety of different cars, mostly old schools. If you know me, I'm into old schools, but everything's welcome, all builds and genres. So I just want to see everybody out there having a good time.